Hello gorgeous girlies, so my name's Alex and as you can tell I am not in my apartment today. I am actually here in my office, in my school in South Korea. And just to give a bit of context, like the date today is Tuesday the 23rd of August 2022 and it is currently my summer vacation. And yes, this is the reality of summer vacation here as part of EPIK. I'm at my desk. So I hear you ask, like, why are you at your desk, Alex? Like, aren't you meant to be like traveling the world? Aren't you meant to be traveling South Korea, enjoying life for what it is? And yes, that's what I've been doing in South Korea. Like, I've had a glorious summer so far. However, as part of EPIK, you are required to do some desk warming time. So right now, there is like literally nobody in school. Like all the students aren't here. They don't come back until next week. There is like maybe the vice principal's here, a couple of like admin staff, but in terms of my office, like no one's here. It's very quiet. And yeah, it's kind of eerie to be honest. And for those of you that don't know, desk warming is the time between semesters. So when you're not actually on vacation, but when the students aren't at school or no one else is at the school. So overall with EPIK, you actually get 26 days holiday. However, you tend to split it like 13 days in the summer and 13 days in the winter. So my plan so far is spending these 13 days. Like I took one earlier in the semester, so that's like already one gone. So I've got 12 left. I went to Daegu and I used 5 of my holidays there. So that's 6 days that's gone. Then I went on like a solo road trip. And I actually went on my solo road trip for 9 days. However, because of like the weekends and like there was a holiday, like a national holiday thrown in there as well, I actually only used 4 of my holiday days there. So that was stunning behavior. So I've actually got a week left until school starts, but I've still got 3 more days holiday. So like Thursday, Friday, and the following Monday, I'm actually gonna go on another little vacation and I'm gonna explore South Korea and use the rest of my 3 days up. And some people wanna use these holidays like straight up, they wanna do like a big road trip, they wanna go like back home to like the United States or the UK or South Africa or wherever you're from, and that's totally fine. However, I was in the mindset of kind of wanting to do like a week here, a week at school, a week here, a week at school, and that kind of vibe because I didn't really want to go abroad. I wanted to stay in Korea. And for me, I don't know, like I just didn't want like a whole 3-week vacation and then a whole nother however long just sat at my desk doing nothing. And when I say doing nothing, like you are meant to be using this time in your desk warming to like plan lessons, you're meant to be preparing for your next semester. I spent like a whole day cleaning my classroom, which was really, really therapeutic actually. Like I really enjoyed it. However, the reality is that you're gonna be complete with all like your tasks that you've got to do like at the start of your summer vacation. So the remainder of the time, like all I've been doing is like just chilling out. Like I've been relaxing, I've been watching YouTube, I've been trying to practice my Korean. It's very difficult. I've been just chilling out to be honest. And maybe I shouldn't be saying this, like maybe I should be encouraged to like lesson plan. But that's not the reality of it. Like you are gonna have some time just to like chill out and like take things easy before the next semester starts. And this desk warming time too, it will be the same in your summer vacation as it is in your winter vacation too. So you'll get 13 days again. And you'll also spend the time desk warming when you're not working. However, you will also have like English camps within these times. So I actually had, because I've got 2 schools, I had like 5 whole days of English camp at my schools, and in all honesty, like it was absolutely great because it gave me something to do, and you've got a lot more freedom in English camp as well. Like you've got like full reign of what you want to teach, and the kids that sign up for English camp are the ones that are like dedicated to learn English as well, so it's an absolute great vibe. Yeah, but yeah, this is just the reality of teaching here in Korea. So I know quite a few people right now, like they've used all their summer vacations up and they've got a week to go, so they're just gonna spend the whole week at school. However, this girlie was savvy and I've actually still got 3 more days holiday, so gorgeous behavior, and I'm so excited. So yeah, and during this time, like it's giving me some time to like reflect on it, like life here in Korea and everything like that. And I can't believe I'm like here, like every single day, like I pinch myself that I'm here in Korea. Like it's crazy, like it's madness. And because I'm like alone in a school, like in the middle of nowhere in Korea, like I'm just keep thinking to myself, I'm like, is this real? Like, I can't believe it. It's crazy. But yeah, let me give you a quick tour of like my desk and my office and everything. So give me 1 second. So this is my desk here in Korea. So it's looking kind of messy at the moment because it's only me and I don't really care, to be honest. So yeah, so I've got 2 screens. I originally only had 1 screen when I came to the office, but I asked for another one and they gave me another one. So I was just like, thank you so much. Again, ignore all this mess. Crazy right now, and obviously we got in a global pandemonium, so I've got my mask right here. And then my co-teacher bought me this fan because she realised I was just too warm to even function. So she bought me this fan and she's so cute. So yeah. And then I'm just gonna pan over and show you the office. So there are 6 of us in this office all together. So this is where my co-teacher sits. This is where another one of the English teachers sits. This is where the supply teacher sits at the back over there. Another one of my co-teachers, we've named him Aiden. So Aiden sits there. And then another one of the supply teachers sits there as well. So it's a very chilled out office. And then, yeah, we've got like the printer there. We've got like a fridge. We've got a water cooler. We've got obviously the sink and stuff to make your own drinks and food and everything else. But yeah, that's just my office. But yeah, I totally would like show you around the school and everything, but I know it's like a sensitive thing about like showing you around like schools and classrooms, so I'm definitely not gonna do that. But this school where I'm at right now, this is my main school. So it's literally like 5 years old. Like it's brand new. Like if you search on Google Maps where it is, like you won't find it because it's like so brand new and Street View just doesn't make it appear at all. And then my other school is like over 100 years old, so it's kind of crazy. Like this one's like a big, modern, brand new school. However, my other school is like such a small little rural school and it's over 100 years old. So yeah, it's a good contrast to have like both old and new schools. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope this gave you a bit of insight of what desk warming and like the reality of teaching here in South Korea is like. And yeah, if you want some more epic content, make sure you like and you comment and you subscribe. And I will catch you next time. I don't really know what the plan is. But yeah, have a wonderful day. Stay safe and I will catch you next time. Adios!